One of Vietnam's top tourist destinations is Hoi An's UNESCO-listed ancient town. Kick off your epic Hoi and visit with a magical lantern boat ride on the Thu Bon River. Hop on a hand-rowed sampan from Bac Dang Street piers as the sun sets. Release your own glowing paper lantern for good luck, and watch hundreds light up the water like stars. It's the ultimate serene start to Say Asia's lantern capital, lasting just 20 minutes but etching memories forever. Spend the rest of the evening exploring the night markets and illuminated shrines. The next day, book a walking tour to learn the history of the many shrines and assembly halls, and the iconic Japanese covered bridge. Marvel at Quan Kong Temple's towering statue of the loyal general. Then visit the ornate Fujian Assembly Hall, the largest of its kind, built in 1690 by Chinese merchants with dragon-carved roofs and serene courtyards. Don't miss the 16th century Japanese covered bridge. Walk inside to view its hidden shrine. Light incense and place them in front of the shrine to connect with centuries of spiritual tradition. These yellow-walled gems blend Vietnamese, Chinese, and Japanese history. There you have it, Hoi An's top highlights for your perfect overnight trip. Please hit the like button and check the description for a link to the hotel we use. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great travel guides.